obviously if you're watching this video, you're a teen that wants to make money right now. So obviously I'm not going to make you watch a boring intro. Without further ado, here's how to make money as a teen in 2020. This one is super simple. If you have any old clothes in your closet, clothes that don't have a purpose, clothes that you haven't worn in who knows how long, definitely consider selling them online. Yeah, it's really good for the environment, you know, you're not just throwing away clothes. This next one is YouTube AdSense. It's obviously gonna take a while, so don't expect to start a YouTube channel and start making money right after you start it, because that's not gonna happen. I'm just gonna say this, but I've been monetized on YouTube since March, but YouTube hasn't paid me yet. I know plenty of people who haven't had problems with Google yet. For me, it hasn't been working yet, so I'll update you guys on that. This next one, I wanted to put right after YouTube because it's coming from Google. So it's to make a blog or some kind of website. I have a website, I just recently put ads on it. That's going to be coming from Google AdSense. Just starting a blog, you're not going to make money, so it's actually the ads that are going to get you the money. So I'd recommend, if you do have a blog, make sure you look into putting ads on it. This next tip is to start a handmade business. Anything that you can make that's kind of handcrafted by you. So for example, friendship bracelets, intro templates, anything like that you can sell on Etsy and you can make a profit from doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give this video a giant thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you learned something from this video. These are kind of just tips that you could use to make money as a teen. So yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend, gonna hit you up.